Hello guys, welcome to IT Expert YouTube channel. Today we are going to start ethical hacking. Uh, Kindly subscribe the YouTube channel to encourage me to step I should upload the this video. Um, we are going to start the ethical hacking lessons. Today we are going to discuss about the basic information about the ethical hacking that you should know. First, information about who is a hacker. Hacker is a person who find and exploit the weakness of the computer system or a network to gain access. The hacker are usually skilled the computer programmers with the knowledge of computer security. The hackers have many purposes. The types of hackers is also different that we are studying. Some of hacker has a plan to sell the information. Some of them have another plan. We have three types of hackers. One is black hat hackers, gray hat hackers, white hat hackers. The first we are going to talk about the black hat hackers. The black hat hackers is a kind of bad guys hackers. Some guys is calling them bad guys because they are attempt to gain unauthorized entry in a system or a network to exploit them for malicious reason. A black hat hacker does not have any permission or authorization to compromise their target. They're trying to inflict damage by compromising the system security. Uh, the purpose of them is the stealing the information like financial information or gain to access the password or other personal data. And another one is the white hat hacker is a kind of good hacker. The white hat hacker is a good guy who work with one organization to make strong the security of the system or the network. White hat hackers have a permission to engage the target to compromise their uh, pres- uh, within a, within a prescribed rules of engagement. And it means white hat hacker is a good hacker, is a good person. Gray hat hackers. Gray hat hackers, it means is the way that the black hat hacker do, but they do so without any malicious intent. The purpose of gray hat hackers is to disclose all loopholes or vulnerability to law of informant agency agents or intelligence agents. It means the purpose of gray hackers is to inform the administrator or the network security person that the system or your network or your system have this kind of vulnerability. You should take urgently action. And the next part that we are going to study who is a cracker is the cracker is also called the black hat hackers. It means the purpose of cracker is bad. Is the cracker is someone who is break into someone else's computer or system or just bypassing the password or license of the computer and etc. It means the cracker purpose is bad. It's like a black hat hackers. Don't make confuse the crackers between the hackers. Hackers purpose is different and the cracker is different. And the another part, what is ethical hacking that we are going to study about it? Ethical hacking is called penetration testing. It means penetration testing. It means is a person who is just testing the vulnerability of system and inform the administrator or security person to that make strong the network. It's just the purpose of ethical hacking is to become a more secure the network or the system. It's just trying to hack but with the permission, with the informing of the administrator or informing the network security person. Just now we are going to study some terms of hacking that you should know. First of them is phishing. Phishing hacking is a kind of hacking that a person or a hacker that show yourself that he is a trusted person or like a trusted guys that you can share the password or credit card and etc information with them. Uh, and another term says malware. Malware designed by hackers to hijack the computer system to steal the sensitive information from your device. And the name of malware is different. Sometimes it's calling the adverb, spyware, keyloggers, and etc. And it's transferring through the USB hard drive or email like spam email and etc. Be careful, malware is a lot dangerous and usually in a day we will face with them. And the next step we are going to the next terms ransomware. Ransomware is a kind of malware attack, and they just looking for a person who just looking to gain access to the system and cat your file, and after the file when be catted, they will instruct the the user to do this, and it means they guide user to what they can do to get their files. Maybe they asking for money, maybe they asking for payment information like etc or credit card bank and etc. And the next step we are going to study is spoofing attack. I divided the spoofing attack in two parts. One is email spoofing, IP spoofing. Email spoofing is a hacker change the header of the email that will be trusted email in your email server or in your email server and your site for a user. It means it asks for from a user that please share your information like bank and etc. Or this spoofing is sometimes using in a more example for attacking the credit bank asking for credit bank information and etc. Another one is IP spoofing. IP spoofing is this IP is changing with trusted IP. It's example putting yourself in trusted IP and sending through your network to gain access to the target machine. And the next one is DOS or DDoS attack, denial of service or distributing denial of service. Uh, DOS or DDoS are attack that attempt to make a network resource unavailable. It means they make the resource unavailable by what? By flooding the resource. Often a website which requests that can't be properly served. And the next step is social engineering attack. Social engineering attack from hackers first they analyze the network or the system and they will find a weakness part and then they're trying to attack them. And thank you, thank you for so much for your watching, for you spending your time. Kindly subscribe our channel to encourage me to continue the lessons. Thank you so much.